Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install plugins for your WordPress on DreamHost. So of course on DreamHost it's not really available to do this because it is just for WordPress. So you want to go ahead to your websites and manage websites. And here you will find all your connected websites. So for example, I use this one as a main one and it's connected to this hosting of DreamHost, and here I can manage it. And once I scroll down, as you can see, there is WordPress option where I can only toggle on the page caching, which increases the speed. And also I can improve my site's performance by toggling on the image optimization. But after that, you will need to go to WordPress. So you want to click here, manage, and you will be redirected to this page where on the left side you will see plugins, and once you click installed plugins you will see all your installed plugins here. And if you want to add new, just click right there and find your plugin, and just like so you will be able to install your plugins. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.